Yesterday we looked at a specialized AI tool. Today we're looking at a different kind of specialist, one that is an expert in a single massive ecosystem. If your work life revolves around Gmail, Google Sheets, and Google Docs, then you need to know about Google Workspace Studio. Think of Workspace Studio as the official glue for all of Google's productivity apps. It's a platform that lets you build automations and even simple applications that live entirely inside your Google environment. An automation in Workspace Studio is called a bot. A bot is kicked off by an event, which is just a trigger, like a new row being added to a Google Sheet. The bot then runs a process, which is a series of steps like sending an email or creating a document. So why would you use this instead of N8N or Zapier? One reason, the deep native integration with Google's apps. Because Workspace Studio is a first-party Google product, it can do things that are harder for other platforms. A great example is generating a PDF from a Google Doc template. You can create a template in Google Docs with placeholders, and your automation can dynamically pull data from a Google Sheet, merge it into the template, and save the output as a PDF in Google Drive. This is incredibly powerful for creating invoices, reports, or contracts, and it's more seamless here than anywhere else. But that deep integration comes with a major trade-off. Workspace Studio is designed to work best inside the Google ecosystem. Its library of connectors to external third-party apps is very small. If your process needs to connect to anything outside of Google, like sending a message to a Microsoft Teams channel or creating a card in Trello, you are much better off using a general-purpose tool like N8N, Make, or Zapier, so the choice is very clear. Use Google Workspace Studio when your entire process lives and breathes inside the Google ecosystem. It's perfect for data-centric automations triggered from a Google Sheet or for processes that require generating documents from Google Doc templates. For example, an invoice approval system. A new row in a sheet triggers an approval email. The manager clicks a link, which updates the sheet. That triggers a second automation that merges the sheet data into a Google Doc invoice template, saves it as a PDF to Google Drive, and emails it from your Gmail. It's all Google from start to finish. Google Workspace Studio is a powerful but specialized tool. It's a must-know for anyone who is heavily invested in the Google ecosystem. But it's also a great lesson in choosing the right tool. For tasks inside the garden, use the gardener's tools. For tasks that cross the wall, you need a tool that can go anywhere. In today's conceptual project, you'll design a classic Google-centric workflow to see just how powerful this specialized approach can be.